In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix washed out colors on your ROG Xbox Ally X display. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now you might be playing in handheld mode or docked mode, and you're seeing a lot of washed out colors. The first thing I'd recommend doing if you're on docked mode is changing your monitor settings because it might be to do with your monitor. However, if you're playing on handheld mode and it's not your monitor, all you got to do is press the command center button. Then from here, you're going to see a lot of different things. The first thing I want you to do is check on your brightness. It might be really low, so go ahead and turn it up because that might be the only issue you're having. Another thing you could also do is scroll down until you're at the game visual section, and you can basically change your game visual depending on what you're playing. There's a racing game visual, like different game visuals for like FPS shooters, which enhance shadows so you can see things and people more clearly. But I recommend just having it at defaults because you might already be on a certain game visual that is specific to a certain type of game, but when you're in your menus or a different game, it might look really flushed out and just not looking good. So what you want to do is just put it to default, and then you should be good to go. It's as simple as that. Now if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.